Hello students, welcome to the SwordSport learning sessions on topic common factors for math for class 6. SwordSport, one of the leading names, helps students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. Let's start. Today we will learn about common factors. In the previous chapter we learned what is factor. Today we will learn about common factors. When we find factors of two or more numbers, we observe that there are few factors which are same. They are called common factors. Let's find some common factors of some pairs of numbers. Consider the number 9 and 15. So what are the factors of 9 and 15? If I divide 9 by 3, I will get remainder 0. So we can call 3 is a factor of 9. Is a factor of 9. Like that, if I divide 9 by 9, again remainder 0. So 9 is a factor. Like that, if I divide 9 by 2, I will not get remainder. Remainder is not equal to 0. So remainder is not 0. So I can't say that 2 is a factor of 9. So finally hence we find, so what are the factors of 9? So 1, 3, 9 are factors of 9. Now let's see what are the factors of 15. Again, if I divide 15 by 3, I will get 5 as a quotient and remainder will be 0. So can we say 3 is a factor of 15? Yes. Same like that, if I divide 15 by 5, I will get 3 as a quotient and remainder is a 0. So I can say 5 is also a factor of 15. Again, if I divide 15 by 15, I will get quotient as a 1 and remainder as a 0. Again, if I divide 15 by 1, I will get quotient as a 15 and remainder as a 0. So I can say these 3, 5, 15, 1 are factors of 15. So what are the factors of 15? Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now from these two sets of factors, let us find what are common. See, here is also 1, here is also 1. So 1 is common. Now here is also lying 3, here is also lying 3. Any other number is same with no. So I can say 1 and 3 are the common factors of 9 and 15. Now come to the next page. In the next page, we will learn about prime factorization. So first we will understand what is prime factorization. A composite number can be written as a product of two factors. Any composite number is a product of two factors. If the numbers are composite, that among those two factors, if any factors is a composite number, they can be split up further till the factors are prime number. Such factorization is called prime factorization. We find prime factorization by two methods. One is tree method. Let's see how to find out by tree method. Let's take any example. Again, I am taking the example of 9 and 15. Now first, if I will split 9, so I will get 3 into 3. So these 3 are prime number. If it is a prime number, we cannot further split the prime number. So hence we can write 9 equals to 3 into 3. Now 15. 15 can be written as 3 and 5. Have you seen 3 is also prime number? 5 is also prime number. So 15 is written as 3 into 5. Now if I take another number, let's take 27. So if 27 can be written as 3 into 9. Now here 3 is a prime number, but 9 is a composite number. So 9 I have to further split. See, if I split 9, so I will get 3 and 3. Now have you seen all the numbers are prime? 3, 3, 3. If I take another number, let's take 48. So I will split 48 as a 2 into 24. Here 2 is a prime number and 24 is a composite number. 24 is a composite number, so I need to split further, and 2 is a prime number. So composite number I am splitting up further, 2 into 12. Again you see 2 is a prime number and 12 is a composite number. So 12 need to split it up. 2 into 6. Now again here 2 is a prime number and 6 is a composite number. So 6 I need to split up. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now here you see both are prime number. So I will stop splitting up. Now 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So hence you have understood how to find out prime factor by tree method. Now next part, how to find out another method is there, that is division method. Now how to find out prime factor by division method? Now let's take any number, 46. Now we will find like this way. Now what is this is the even number, so I will take the smallest least prime number 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now this 23 cannot be further splitted up. So 46 can be written as a Both are prime number. 23 is also prime number, 2 is also prime number. Now again I am taking 164. Let's see. So 164 can be written as 2 into 2 into 41. 41 is a prime number. 2 is also prime number. So product of all prime number. So children, today we have learned what are common factors, how to find out common factors, and prime factorizations. What is the prime factorizations? What are the different ways to find the prime factorization? So hope children you have understood. Next I will come with next topic. Till then, thank you.